I'm here to talk about new side hustle ideas that you can start today so that you can start earning money on the side. A side hustle idea that you can start now is to start a Notary Public service. Did you know that a Notary Public can earn between $100 and $200 per day simply by stamping papers? In this video, we'll go over how to start a Notary Public service so that you can start earning money with this side hustle idea. At the end of this video, you will learn all the requirements and step-by-step actions to take to get started. But first, let's define what a Notary Public service is. A Notary Public is a public officer appointed by the government to serve the public in a non-contentious matters such as general financial transactions, estates, deeds, powers of attorney, and foreign and international business. The main functions of a notary are to validate a person's signature for the purpose of signing a document and to perform certain other official acts depending on the jurisdiction. There are several advantages to becoming a Notary Public. To begin, you must be a Notary Public in order to work as a loan signing agent, where you can earn $75 to $200 per hour-long appointment. Even if you don't do loan signings, being a Notary Public provides a valuable service to the community, allows you to work for yourself on your own time, and is an excellent way of expanding your skill sets and resume. Becoming a Notary Public is a great side hustle idea to supplement your income. While notaries are appointed by their states and act as public officials, they charge their clients directly and keep the revenue. As a result, many people start their own notary service business and refer to themselves as mobile notaries in their communities. Most states limit the amount a notary can charge for a single notarization. For example, $15 in California and $10 in Florida. But many clients frequently require more than one signature to be notarized. You can also charge extra fees for things like travel, supplies, and other expenses. You can also become a notary signing agent. If you like the idea of becoming a notary to supplement your income, becoming a notary signing agent is a great way for increasing your income. A notary signing agent is a trained and certified professional who handles loan document notarization and real estate closings. Notary signing agents are the critical final link between the banks and the borrower to complete the loan in the mortgage finance industry. They are hired as independent contractors by title companies and signing services to ensure that the real estate loan documents are signed by the borrower, notarized, and returned for processing. In addition to their work as a mobile notary, notaries earn a substantial amount of extra income from this line of mortgage financial work. Notaries are high in demand in a wide range of industries, including banking, finances, medical, legal, government, insurance, and technology. Notaries are used in almost every industry, so becoming one will increase your marketable skill sets, improve your resume, and increase your value as an employee. Notaries perform two general functions in the workplace: notarizing documents in the back office for coworkers and bosses, and notarizing documents for customers in a bank or their local photocopy and shipping shop. Many employers value employees with notary skills because they can handle their document authentication needs and provide excellent service to their customers. In addition, you will benefit from a flexible schedule. If you go the mobile notary and notary signing agent pathway, you will be able to work your own hours. It's ideal for home-based entrepreneurs, moonlighters, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to supplement their income. Many people who require notarization do so after normal business hours, allowing you to make the most of your evenings or arrange a time that works best for you. Now let's talk about how you can get started today. The requirements for becoming a Notary Public vary by states. For example, to become a Notary Public in Pennsylvania, you must first meet the following requirements. 1. Be at least 18 years old. 2. Be a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident. 3. Be a resident of or be employed at a physical address within the Commonwealth. 4. Be of good character, integrity, and ability. 5. Be able to read and write English. 6. Not be disqualified under 57 PA CS 323. 7. Not have a notary commission revoked in Pennsylvania or any other states in the past 5 years. And 8. Must comply with other requirements the department may establish. To become a Notary Public, you must first complete the following steps. 1. Make sure that you meet the requirements to become a notary. 2. Take a 3-hour approved education course. 3. Complete the online application form. You'll need to attach your training certificate and pay the $42 fee. 4. In about 1 to 3 weeks, you'll get an email from either the Department of State or Person View with details about the $65 exam. 5. Follow the testing instructions carefully. If you pass, your score will be sent to the state. 6. Receive an email with your notice of appointee letter and blank bond. 7. Get a $10,000 surety bond. Choose a bonding company authorized to do business in Pennsylvania. 8. Within 45 days of appointment, go to your county recorder of deeds and present evidence of your identity. Take your oath of office and follow your bond. 9. Register your signature with the prothonotary of your county. 10. Receive your commission certificate and a wallet card from the recorder of deeds. 11. Buy your notary seal and journal. 12. Get E&O insurance to limit your financial exposure. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to Shaun Academy, an extension for education.